Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve the most frequently asked question in an interview, that is rotate array by k positions left. Now I will explain the problem statement. Assume that you have an array elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you want to make two rotations. K is equals to 2. You want to make the two rotations. Now each element should move two positions left. For example, now we have the 3 at the third position. So now 3 should move to the first position. So what will be the output? 3, 4, 5, 1 and 2. Okay. Each element should move two positions left side. Okay. Now we will code and we will solve this. Now I want to make 3 rotations. Now to avoid the unnecessary notations, we are doing k percentile array dot length. For example, we have the array elements 5 and we want to make the 10 notations. What is the use of it, right? So to avoid, we are using this modulo operator. Now declare another array, and now these array should contain only first k elements, so that the array length should be k. Okay. Now what you need to do is pick the first k elements from an array ARR and now assign those values to the array 1. Okay. For that we are using for int I is equals to 0 and it should go till where I is less than k, I plus plus. Okay. Now array 1 I equals to array of I. What will happen here? All the elements till the k position will come to the array of 1. Now array of 1 contains the elements 1, 2 and 3, right? Now what you need to do is iterate the array from the key position and move those elements to the 3 positions left. For that, now what you need to do, iterate an array from the key position and assign the values at the position k to the starting index, like move the k from the k position elements to the left side. So that we are using int I is equals to where we should start from k and I less than array dot length and increment the I by 1 position. Now we should modify the array of j by array of I. Now what will happen here? All the elements from the key position will come to the front and increment the j by 1 position every time. Okay. Now what you need to do? Now the elements copy the elements from array 1 to the array. Okay. Now what you need to do? Now pick the elements from this array and copy in this array. Okay. For that, what we need to do? For int I is equals to 0, I less than k, I plus plus. Okay. Now you just simply need to do array of j equal to, from which array we need to pick? Array 1. Okay. Now just print this array for int I is equals to 0, I less than array dot length, I plus plus. Array of I. Here also we need to increment j. Okay. Now save and run this. See, we got the output 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. But this is not the optimal solution. I will say one other solution which is quite easier than this. So what you need to do is now take the variable start and initialize with 0. Now take the variable n and initialize with the k minus 1, because first we want to do the k rotations, right? Now what I'm doing actually is, now First, I want to reverse the first three elements. It will become 3, 2, and 1. Now, I want to do the reverse of 4 and 5. So, 5 and 4. Already reversed array. Now, I want to reverse this array. So, what will it become? 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, our final outcome should be 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. For that, now, while start less than end, we are only performing swap operation in this. Int temp is equals to array of start. Okay. Now assign the array of end to the array of start. Array of start equals to array of end. Now array of end will become the temp. Okay. Now increment the start by one position and decrement the end by one position. Okay. Copy this array. Paste here. Int k equals to 3. Okay. Now copy this code. Control C and Control V. Paste one more time. Now initially you did from start 0 to k minus 1. Now you need to do from k to last element in an array. For that, array dot length. Now you need to reverse the entire array from starting first element to the last element. For that, start will be 0 and end will be array length minus 1. Okay, now you just simply print this. For int I is equals to 0, I less than array dot length, I place place. Now what do you need to print? Array of I. Okay, just save this code and run this. See, I got 4, 5, 1, 2, 3 has output 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I hope you understand the question. If you have any doubts, you can comment me. I will explain. And also one more important thing is that instead of writing the swap operations in every while loop, you can mention the method while that performs swap and you just call from the main method. Okay. Okay. I hope you understand the code. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.